Good morning. Today we are going to try and find another waterfall. I think it's going to be bigger than the last one.
A waterfall.
It's a waterfall. It's very different to a waterfall.
Oh, we've got some more chickens over there. And we're going up this steep incline. Some sort of weird thing on this tree. I think it might be a nest of some sort. Ah, this way. Excellent. Big bird. Looks very small on the vlog, but it's huge. What you doing, bird? Ah, this way. Again. I don't think we're going to be the only ones today at the waterfall. I think it's this way. Well, this path is a lot easier than the last path we went down in Koh Chao to Kai Bay Waterfall. You don't have to climb up any mud slopes. Sounds like a jungle in here. Whoa, I think we're coming to a waterfall. On entrance to this waterfall, there's like a little booth with a donations box and life jackets. It said, please wear a life jacket, but no one's wearing one. Wow, this is amazing. And we can go swimming in there. It's incredible. We just waded across this bit. It was a bit treacherous, but we did it. And now we're just gonna go for a swim.
Yeah, see what happens.
See what happens. There's loads of butterflies. I can't really see them. Oh, there's one. No one's wearing a life jacket.
I think Sarah might be in heaven. Oh, this place is amazing.
Wow.
How are you enjoying Thailand?
Great. Love it. Amazing. So much. Beaches, waterfalls, wildlife, sun. Couldn't be better, really.
I wondered when that was going to finish. It's a long list.
It is.
Oh, and pad thai.
Yes, pad thai especially.
Every day. There are actually quite a lot of people here, but very few people going in.
We should come here really early in the morning. Maybe for the only people. But maybe other people would have that idea as well. What about 7 o'clock? Don't you come here then?
7 o'clock though.
Well, that was amazing. That waterfall was really something else. And now we're just off down the road to town to get some food. We need quite a lot because we did a lot of energetic stuff. And we're being followed by a huge pack of dogs. Standard.
Last time we walked down here, we saw what we think might be an ox.
I think it was a wildebeest.
I don't think they're here.
It was a wildebeest.
Well, either way, it was scary.
What the hell is that? It's like a gigantic thing with huge horns. I don't know what it is. Look at this. It looks scary. Some sort of wild cow. Hello. I think they should ban AO salad.
I think they have.
And this is like the main drag in Koh Kood. There's nothing here. There's one ATM. Whether it has money in it is a different story. But we're going to our favourite restaurant. And just over there is the beach. But we're going this way to our favourite restaurant,
Food.
which is cheap. Are these mangoes just growing on the side of the road? And also, we think this stone looks like a dog every time we walk past it.
Go here. It's good.
We love this place.
Time for a club sandwich.
We're in our favourite restaurant. And look what we've got here. It looks good.
So we're always the only people in here, but look, today, secret's out.
And we're back home. And the room's been done again. Hooray!
Back to swans on the bed.
Back to swans. And some water in the fridge. That's nice. Well, that was a really fun day at Klong Chao Waterfall.
If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment and subscribe.
And always enjoy the journey.
Bye! I think we are the only people here without a GoPro.